This farm observation just happened by accident, and it involves our chicken. More specifically, moving them on pasture in the hoop house. When you move your chickens out on pasture, especially when they're a little bit older, almost ready to process, do they wall a few feet, sit down, and you multiply that by 100 plus chickens? It can be time consuming and a little bit of a hassle because you don't want to run them over. And it goes a little something like this. Then one day, for no particular reason, this happened.
All right, turn the water.
Hey, got an idea. That Tommy boy moment led to the idea of using the water hose and spraying it as you're moving the chickens forward. You don't even have to get in the hoop house. Something like this. Then one day the water hose was too short, and the idea crossed my mind to break out my new little toy right here. Now we have two new weapons in our toolbox to move chickens, and it's more efficient and faster. The leaf blower and the water hose.